Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goal. So this is another video on content creator job series. So here in this video we'll be talking about a website which is another it is moreover like freelancer.com, Upwork, something like that. This is a freelance marketplace. If you're interested as a content creator, you have to try here, but this website is not only for content creators. If you are a web developer or a sales and marketing professional or accounting, translation, administration work, if you know, you can actually start working here and start earning money. So without any drag, I'm just going to start off with a video and I'll be showing you the website. So if you are interested in this content writing job series, try subscribing to the channel so that you will be getting updates whenever I upload new videos. And this is the website freeup.com. Here you will be hired as a freelancer. This is a freelancer marketplace. As I have told you, this is not only for content creators. This is for marketing professionals, accounting, translation, administrative work and tech supports and something like that. This website doesn't have any geographical restrictions. You can work from wherever you are in this world. So it is that easy, guys. Start signing up for this website and complete your profile. You have certain process like job recruiting process, which I will be discussing in this video. So stay tuned till the end. And in this website here, as a freelancer, you can actually make up to $75 per hour and above. So this is really useful, guys. I'll be telling you all these steps now. First, if you are willing to start here, you have to click work as a freelancer and you will be redirected to the page where you have to fill up your details. You have to upload your resume and everything, and you have to sign up for this website, which is very usual in all the platforms. So this is how the page will be. You have to apply for it, and I have also made a video on Indeed. Can you see here on the right side of the tab where you have to apply through this portal freeup.com, or you can use Indeed resume. If you have already created an Indeed resume and profile there, you can just use that one here for your job application. So this is what is really important. After applying, it will take a couple of days or like a few days for the team to actually review your application, and one of the team members will be contacting you for stage 2 if you are really your application looks good and it is fine. After reviewing, they will be contacting you for stage 2. Stage 2 is nothing but you will be having a video interview with one of their team members. So after that, you can actually start making money as a freelancer in this website. Here, this is what is really important, guys, because you have to decide what type of experienced personnel you are according to a freelancer. If you are a newbie or entry level freelancer, you can actually make up to $5 to $15 per hour, and depending upon the field that you are going to choose in this website. And in the mid-level entry, you will be able to earn up to $10 to $40 per hour, and this is depending upon how your market is. Like with the field that you have chosen should be like having a lot of opportunities, and it should be having a lot of projects, so it depends upon that. And expert level, you will be earning up to $20 to $75 plus per hour. So if you're not sure about which level you are, you can actually choose I'm a mix. It is available in the application. So this is how the application will look like. You have to fill up all the required details and everything about your job, your experience and everything. And have you ever worked in other freelancer platforms? So you'll be having questions like that, and you will also be having questions related to your level. I have already told you in the beginning, like you have entry level, mid level and expert level, and depending upon which level you're choosing, you have to answer those questions, and that is required. So here, try filling up everything. You can also actually earn money as a group also, because there is an option to earn money as a group. So here you can make money either way, like as an individual or as a group. You can start making money today. So try applying, guys, and get ready for the stage 2, which is around 15 to 20 minutes of video interview, and we'll be looking at that. So before going on to the second session, try subscribing and clicking on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now here in the second part we'll be looking about the job openings and everything. So in this website I have to tell you that this website will have a stringent screening process, but after getting inside you will have very huge amount of opportunities to earn a lot from this website. And here you will be getting so many projects, but you cannot look at how many projects are available without even signing up for this network. Only you will be able to see those job openings in the dashboard only if you have signed up and got approved, and when you are entering into this network you will be able to see those things. But for now I can actually show you which are all open jobs available where you can apply through Indeed profile also. So signing up and getting into this website is totally free. You don't have to pay anything, but it will be charging 15% commission only to the client and not to you. You will be getting all the amount whichever the client has to pay you will be getting to you without any cut. So the charges will also be based upon how you are asking, because you will be rating your own experience and everything based upon your skill level. So this is totally up to you guys. You have to select which level you are and how much ever skill you have acquired. You can choose the entry level or mid level or professional level. So that is up to you, and you will be get paid through that level. And as you can see on the screen, there is one question in the sign up page, which is you have to upload a video or you have to record a video telling them that why do you want to work here and why do you want to work with them. You have to answer that, and you have to upload a video or record a video on the site itself. And so yeah guys, you have to make sure you create a good profile, and also try writing attractive answers for questions like why should our clients hire you, why should we hire you, why should we let you inside this platform, and something like that. So these questions are really important and they will be looking into that. So make sure you answer those questions really good and well. It should be well written guys, that is what is really important. And here these are all the job openings. And as I have told you in the beginning itself, it is not only for content creators, it is for various level of jobs and skills. So here this is one of telecalling or telemarketer position. Here they will be this is usual guys, this is very usual and very similar to other freelancer websites where you will be having job responsibilities and qualities that are required for this particular job position. So if you think that you are perfect for this one, start applying now. And here you can see this is moreover a remote kind of job. You don't have to be in a specific location to start earning money, but there are few jobs which actually requires you in a specific location. But this website has various opportunities, you can try that. Start applying today guys. It is really a gold mine for content creators. You can find many job opportunities here, and this is going to be a content creator job series, so try subscribing to the channel. And that's all for the video guys. If you have any doubts, comment it below, I will make sure I answer it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, whoever is in need of this one. And meet you all in the next video guys. Until then, bye and thank you.